Over 10 years of innovative research and development have led to the new generation HDI Edge. Utilising optical slim IR technology, it is the slimmest IR screen on the market. A 0.2mm micro air gap ensures that there is virtually no distance between your finger and the interaction. The new generation Edge supports a 178-degree viewing angle in conjunction with a 4K native resolution, creating an extraordinary viewing experience. Forward-facing inputs and controls maximise the screen's usability, while the new HDMI out feature gives the new generation Edge utmost presentation flexibility. Various Australian-made mobile options are available for the new generation Edge, which include fixed height, electric height adjustable and tilt-to-table options. This, in combination with the native 20 points of touch, make the new generation Edge the most flexible collaborative tool on the market, ready to be used in any environment. The new generation Edge is available in sizes that can accommodate for any collaborative space, ranging from 55 through to 98 inches. For more information on the new generation Edge, visit our website.